My name is Chanel Jack, and I am the founder of Girl Code Media. Our mission is to redefine female relationships, challenging negative social norms by promoting healthier personal and professional bonds between women and girls. This work is very important to me because growing up, I noticed how there was a lack of unity in the girl culture. I, in middle school, was bullied by girls, and my principal created a safe space, which influences a lot of our work here, to talk to those mean girls. And what they said had nothing to do with me, but everything to do with their own insecurities. They said my hair was longer than theirs, and that's why they mistreated me. I took that as a seed to understand since middle school that one, I wanted to change that narrative and be a positive role model amongst my peers at a young age and show women and girls how to love and treat each other. And I also took that as a seed to start studying why this type of behavior was so normal between women and girls. So growing up, I studied and talked to women who I found were struggling in their friendships and their female bonds. And what I've noticed is most of those girls did not know what we like to call girl code, which is principles, values, and morals on how to treat each other and yourself. So here at Girl Code Media, we are redefining female relationships by teaching women how to have healthy relationships with themselves and others.